Close your eyes for a second and think about the center of your home. It's not the kitchen table, and it's not your bedroom. It's that glowing rectangle in your living room. For decades, the television has been a passive window, something we just sit in front of and consume. But what if that window started looking back? What if it started thinking for you? What if the device tucked away in your TV stand became more powerful than the computer on your desk? We are standing on the precipice of a total home revolution. The rumors have been confirmed, the leaks are flooding in, and the tech world is in a frenzy over one specific piece of hardware, the 2026 Apple TV 4K. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. If you're watching this, you're likely tired of the same old, smart TV experience. You're tired of laggy interfaces, privacy-invading data tracking from cheap streaming sticks, and remotes that seem to disappear into thin air the moment you need them. You've been waiting for a premium solution that doesn't just play movies, but orchestrates your entire life. Today, the wait is over. We are going to deconstruct every single detail of the Apple TV 4K 2026. We are talking about a jump in processing power that rivals gaming consoles, an AI integration that makes the current Siri look like a calculator, and a price strategy that is designed to put one of these in every single American household. Let's talk about the brain. For years, Apple used slightly older chips in the Apple TV because, honestly, you don't need a supercomputer to stream Netflix. But the 2026 model changes the game. The leaks are pointing to the A17 Pro or even the A18 chip being housed inside this sleek black box. Why? Because of Apple Intelligence. The living room is the next frontier for AI. Imagine a TV that doesn't just give you a list of shows, but understands your mood. It knows you had a stressful day at work, it knows your favorite team is playing in 10 minutes, and it automatically suggests a curated evening of entertainment without you saying a single word. This level of on-device processing requires the kind of silicon muscle usually reserved for flagship iPhones. But it's not just about movies. Let's address the elephant in the room: gaming. For a decade, analysts have predicted that Apple would eventually take on Sony and Microsoft. With the Apple TV 4K 2026, that prediction finally feels real. With hardware-accelerated ray tracing and the sheer graphical throughput of the A17 Pro/A18 chip, this device is being positioned as a console killer for the casual and mid-core market. Imagine playing AAA titles, games like Resident Evil, Death Stranding, or the next massive open-world epic, directly on your TV with a device that fits in the palm of your hand. No $500 console, no loud fans, just pure gaming excellence integrated into the Apple ecosystem. For a US market that is increasingly looking for all-in-one value, this is a nuclear option. Now, let's talk about the hub. Your home is getting smarter, but it's also getting more complicated. Lights, thermostats, cameras, locks, they all speak different languages. The Apple TV 4K 2026 is rumored to be the first device to feature the N1 networking chip. This is Apple's custom silicon designed for the future of connectivity. We're talking about Wi-Fi 7 and Bluetooth 6.0. Why does that matter to you? Zero latency. It means when you tap your phone to turn off the lights,